I have no intro music, so I'm gonna make my own. This is it, and it's getting too long, so let's get this over with.
This is a test for Dan the Bunny.
Go for it.
I think Twitter's a great website. Ha! Said no one ever.
You got it.
So, really? You're not gonna do the audition?
Nope.
Well, then.
Move aside. Does that mean I'm gonna part for Squeaks then?
Yeah, whatever.
Yay.
Later.
This is Christopher Baxter. I'm here reading for the part of Cartoon Dog.
Go for it.
Hey, cat. You smell like a dog. Yeah.
That was
Perfect! You're hired!
that's it for now, folks. Ciao.